there's coming more strong activation with dark energy, straight line, Earth, Moon and Mars. 24th February you see, yes, 9th, 9th, there is Earth straight between Moon and Mars. 9th February Mars was behind Moon. When we look in that from Finland and this kind of North Scandinavia and Canadian and Russian, I think also when they look in this, they can see that Mars was exactly behind Moon 9th February. And now tomorrow 24th, again, very straight line, Earth is straight between Moon and Mars. Strong activation with dark energy, Earth inside pressure getting bigger, volcano activism. Pluto don't have a pressure center of Pluto, but there's coming like a 4-5 hours this dark energy from Pluto. Maybe Pluto also can make something strange, weather phenomena here or something. Maybe, I'm not sure, but you should remember that there's coming also dark energy from Pluto, and it's can activate in a long time. You see. Okay, then we have these. Line alignments with Sun, Moon, and Earth. I think it's new Moon, yes. And after that, I think it's first Mars. Or this is 28th February, yes, activation with Saturn. This alignment is not so straight anymore. What was like 4th January, extremely straight. Saturn was exactly behind Moon center. But with this Mercury, we have this very straight line where is Moon might be, yes, Mercury might be exactly behind Moon, and if it's that way, there is strong activation with dark energy. What physicists don't understand. Volcano activism, earthquakes, more earthquakes, Santorini, Caribbean, and Etna volcano activism. You know, there is reason why everything happening now. There was very straight lines, but these kind of lines don't work like Uranus and Jupiter. There was not straight line, you know. But with Mars, again, straight line, 9th Mars. And after that, start coming to crazy time. Crazy Mars ending, you know. Now 9th Mars. Earth, Moon and Mars. Mars almost behind Moon, but not exactly. But anyway, this works hard, these kind of lines, you know. And now you see there's coming Saturn and Neptune, and these gas planets, they are behind Sun. So Sun can activate this dark energy from Saturn and Neptune. And this 14th Mars is crazy day because there is full moon with moon eclipse. Exactly extremely straight lines where Earth is exactly between moon and sun. And same time Saturn and Neptune behind sun. So sun can activate that energy from Saturn and Neptune, which works hard. 14th Mars, crazy day. But before that they start activation already like a 12 Mars, because then there is line where is Earth, Sun and Saturn. Saturn almost behind Sun, 12 Mars. And then start happening in a lot of these kind of dark energy activation. Be careful, you know. Be careful, Mars ending. It is going to be crazy day, you know. Okay, now we look 12 Mars. You can see 12 Mars. Saturn is there behind Sun. So Sun can activate that dark energy from Saturn, and there is strong activation and Earth inside pressure getting bigger because this dark energy particle can move through each others, and strong activation and expansion. And that's why this dark energy is not going so much through Earth. It can collide with Earth nuclei of atoms and inside pressure, Earth inside pressure getting bigger. And this is something what physicists don't understand. And also Neptune works more hard than Saturn because it's more near this straight line with Neptune. Neptune, it's 19 Mars behind Sun, and this line alignments is more straight what was like a 12 with Moon, Sun, and Saturn. So just remember this crazy Mars and be careful with volcanoes and earthquakes. Santorini, Etna, Hawaii, Caribbean, Iceland, you already know where's already happening, and there's going to this Mars is going to be crazy Mars. Okay, you see that these kind of lines don't work with Jupiter and Uranus, but there's coming more, like Mars again, 24th Mars. It's going to be still white straight, and after that there is a sun eclipse. But before that also this Pluto, you should understand that there's coming dark energy from Pluto, and this activation can works long time, And yes, 29th there is this sun eclipse. Before that Saturn and Neptune can work hard also. There is Earth, Moon, Saturn, Earth, Moon, and Neptune. But this line alignment is not so straight anymore. What was like a January 4th, extremely straight line, very hard dark energy activation 4th January. Also 5th, there was Neptune almost behind Moon. And 1st January, there was like Earth, Moon, and Mars. Actually, it was Moon, Earth, and Mars. Earth was between Moon and Mars, very straight, 1st January. A lot of activation on January 1st and 29th Mars, there is the sun eclipse. This works also hard, so be careful with volcanoes and these earthquakes. Also heavy rains and floods. Usually there's coming like heavy rains and floods or snowstorms. Very strong snowstorms. Like Mars 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Strong snowstorms. Okay. Heavy rains and floods. Volcanoes. Earthquakes. Something what physicists don't understand yet, but I know what's going on. I have an idea how universe works, and I think whole picture of universe is going to change soon, big way. Big bang wrong. There is no hocus pocus space-time which play tricks. No way. Only losers explain phenomena with this kind of hocus pocus space-time which play tricks. It is not space which play tricks. Center of nuclei of atoms, there is traffic areas which expanding and recycling dark expanding pushing force, dark expanding energy, which have a nature of electrons, photons, which also expanding. And that's the way it's going. Expanding apple, falling, expanding apple, moving away from expanding Earth center, but not so fast, but expanding Earth surface. And you have an illusion, this apple moving that, falling apple moving that way, where is Earth center. Sun movement, it is illusion, just like falling apple movement that way, where is Earth center, it is illusion. Expanding apple pushing away from expanding Earth center, but not so fast, but expanding Earth surface. Okay, cheers.